Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to turn off junk email filter in Outlook. So guys, if you are using any version of Outlook, you will find this setting almost in all version of Outlook. Just you have to open Outlook. Now in this top bar, you will see option junk. Click on this tiny drop down. Here click on junk email options. Now in this options tab, you will see some options. Just you have to select this first setting. No automatic filtering. Mail from blocked senders is still moved to the junk email folder. So select this setting, then apply, then click on OK. Now close and restart your system. So this way guys, you can turn off junk email filter in Outlook. Thanks for watching.